Every year, thousands of children and teenagers around the world silently suffer under the weight of parental expectations. Some push through, some lose themselves, and some never get the chance to tell their story. Academic pressure, unrealistic standards, and the inability to tolerate imperfections. These invisible chains have stolen countless young lives. While success is often glorified, the cost of that success remains hidden. How many dreams have been sacrificed? How many cries for help have gone unheard? Today, we talk about a reality that is too often ignored. Let's understand why so many young lives are lost, not to failure, but to the fear of failing. One such story is that of Kiran, a brilliant student with a passion for art, whose life was overshadowed by relentless pressure to achieve academic excellence. Kiran's journey is not just a story, it's a mirror reflecting the silent suffering of countless children. Kiran was a child of two worlds. Outside, he was the perfect student, the one who answered every question, the one who never caused trouble. But inside, he was just a boy carrying a storm in his heart, one he couldn't let anyone see. As the school bell rang, kids ran home, eager to be embraced by warmth. Kiran walked slower. Every step toward home felt heavier, like wading into deep, cold water. His father never yelled. He didn't have to. The disappointment in his eyes was enough to carve wounds deeper than words ever could. You got 95? What happened to the other 5? Kiran didn't answer. He had learned long ago love here was conditional. Pain wasn't always loud. Sometimes it was in the silence, in the way his father would look through him, as if he were invisible. In his home, emotions were dangerous. Weakness was punished. So, Kiran learned to shrink, to make himself small enough to go unnoticed. But sometimes, he wished someone would notice. Years passed. Kiran was no longer a child, but the wounds remained. He looked in the mirror and saw his father's disappointment staring back. You're not enough. You'll never be enough. His own reflection had become his worst enemy. One night, the weight became unbearable. He sat on his bed, his chest tightening, struggling to breathe. Why am I never enough? The words slipped out like a secret he had never been allowed to say. One day, in the park, Kiran saw a small boy trip and fall. His father rushed to him, brushing off the dirt. It's okay to fall, he said gently. You can always try again. Kiran felt something break inside him. Why had no one ever told him that? For the first time, Kiran questioned everything. Maybe love wasn't supposed to hurt. Maybe kindness wasn't something you had to earn. Maybe he deserved it too. Years later, when Kiran held his own child, he made a silent promise. I will be the warmth I never had. I will be the voice I never heard. The cycle ends with me. If you grew up in a home like Kiran's, know this. You were never the problem. Love isn't supposed to break you. You have the power to heal, to grow, and to create a future where love is gentle. The cycle of pain ends with you.